I am here in Columbia, Pennsylvania. I just had lunch and went to Adamstown. I've been at it all day. I'm looking for super unique, kitschy items for my Etsy shop. And I'm also looking for really good deals for my new Whatnot channel, which is Follow That Bug. So let's go in and see what we can find. I think I'm actually gonna start downstairs today. Well, I am not disappointed. The first thing I see is this really pretty little vase. It's only $6.50. I love the texture to it and the colors. I'm gonna go ahead and grab that. Normally I'm a little hesitant about things that aren't marked on the bottom, but for that price, I can't really argue. It's very cute, very sweet. Bird is $15. That's a little more than I'd like to spend on this. This is very cool. It is made of shell, but I don't think it's for me. This is not really my thing either, but they have such good prices. I have to look. And is this Goble but pink? It is. It's like a purple one. I've never seen that. Let's see. Ooh, and then they have the owls. Wait, this handkerchief vase is only $8.50. So whereas I normally might knock white milk glass, I'm definitely into the shape of this, especially at that price. So it's priced to sell. I'm gonna grab it. What about ashtray? It's kind of fun. This one's kind of nice too. What is this one? Made in Germany. $6.50. I kind of feel crazy not getting that. Hold on, let me put my basket down. It's kind of heavy. What is this little? Huh, that's kind of cool. What am I doing? The cat's fun. I used to buy and sell these things all the time, but they kind of died off, honestly. I'm not really seeing any other. Oh, of course, the little June girl, $5. Ugh, these are super collectible, but I haven't had the most luck with them, honestly. Let's see. Yeah, I kind of like this. It's only $6.50, and it's German. I'm just gonna get it. Why not? I know it's kind of crazy of me not to pick up the butterfly tray, but I haven't had as much luck with those as other people have, to be honest. I'm actually kind of second guessing this. No, it will be good for Whatnot. Oh my gosh, look at this. I already see the price, but it's not unfair at all. Look at these mermaids. How incredible. Wow, they are so cute. Made in Italy. Really adorable. I've actually never seen the Italy ones. I'm very thrown off by that. I'm kind of surprised. I thought they were gonna be Japan. Huh. That's definitely something I don't know. Let me keep the tag up so people don't have to handle them unnecessarily. Very, very spectacular. People love those mermaids. And of course, I love the mosaic. Wow, this is so pretty. Oh my gosh, I could just touch all this stuff all day. Let me move on. That's not my price point today. I'm being super thrifty today. I say that, but also, when am I not super thrifty? I like this vase a lot. I think it's gonna be a hobbyist one. Yes. You can see the signature there, $10 and 15% off. I think that's really different, and I like the shape of it. I'm gonna go ahead and get it. I know I've been kind of like knocking some of the hobbyist stuff, but I do like the vases, and this one even has like texture. It's kind of cool. Very different. Okay, but I also think this is super pretty. Again, it's not marked on the bottom though. Ugh. But again, it's $8 and 20%. So yeah, but still, I don't think that's enough. What is this? What is going on here? Oh, that's so pretty. All right, let me move on. I think this is such a great set. I've had it before. It's made in Japan, $15, 20%, $12. It's really not bad, but I have had it before. What's going on here? That is so bizarre. $9. See, yeah, I think this is really fun too. I love the pattern on this. The vase with the handles is probably my favorite. Czechoslovakia. Wow, I really love the lady portraits too. If it seems like I'm going a little fast, it's probably because I am. $30, that's really pretty. Trying to get in as many places as I can and not run out of energy. So, let's see, this is really pretty. I love the texture on these things. That's Nippon too. $8 and 15%. I might be able to just swing that actually. I'm not sure. So much pressure. All right, well, I decided against it. It was missing a little extra something for me, but what is this? This is really pretty. And again, it's $10 and 15%. It's just kind of different. I think I'm gonna go ahead and pick it up. Oh my gosh, let me not whack it. I think this is gonna be good for my whatnot. Of all the Edward Mobley, the dog is probably the one I'm most hesitant to pick up just because it's so common. And 29, 15%. It's good for a collector, especially because it looks so clean. It's really hard to find them in good condition like that. But for me, I'm gonna pass. I've had them so many times. All right, let's go upstairs. All right, I have arrived on the main level here. I see like a million things I like. First of all, the head base. I have to check out 42. Okay, I can't justify that. It is one of the USA pottery ones. It's nice, but too expensive for me. Honestly, I don't even sell them for that much. 25. Let's see. I could probably get more for it. It's not like it's like wrong. Oh my gosh, I almost just knocked this globe over. Let me put this. Used to go, cat. I'm putting my basket down. Oh my gosh, so cute. $20, 15%, so 17. I might have to grab that. This is a really hard one to find. And the last one I had sold for $49. Of course, that includes my US shipping, which for something like this is about $10 to $13, $14. A lot happening back here. First of all, the Hold Howard cats as is. 25. I wonder what's as is about them. I also see the fuzzy ceramic cat, but it's this pink one up here that's really catching my eye. Of course, I'm too short. Oh my gosh, it's $18 and 15%. I'm obsessed with it. I'm getting it for sure. And we're gonna check out that fuzzy. Oh my gosh, shut the front door. How much is that? Oh, I'm gonna use my camera to help me cheat. $89. That's not crazy, actually. The last one I had sold for a lot more than that, I think. I'm gonna have to look it up. All right, so I did find that one in my sold. The last one I sold was for $149. I think that says 89. I could be mistaken. I was actually mistaking it with a Relpo one I had that sold for 400. So for 89, I think I'm gonna pass, but a collector's gonna be really excited to see that. I have reached my case obsession area. There's a lot of people behind me though, so I'm not sure how this is gonna go, but I'm kind of just gonna manhandle this area for a second. It's 15%. So, okay, he's missing his salt and pepper shakers. I love the little beaded strawberry, the poodle pin. It's missing a rhinestone. This like freaking penguin situation happening. What's going on over here? I think we like these penguins. They're kind of different. $13, but even with, that's a little close for me, I think, actually. And then the left-in rooster, I don't really mess with that bisque material that much, though. And then this is Avon. I actually picked one up, even though I normally knock on Avon. Speaking of Avon, lots of smelly stuff. Oh, there's another flocked owl. I can't remember if mine sold. Honestly, that's really embarrassing because it was like just not long ago. It was like a couple weeks ago. $11. Man, that's crazy. I saw 2 and 1 because I've never seen them ever before that. And here's another one of the trivets. I had the napkin holder just recently, or I guess like last week. These pigs are pretty popular, but $18 is a little too close for me on those. And I've had them before, so it's getting harder to get off the ground sometimes. Well, that's it for there. Now I'm gonna head up to the top level. I'm trying to hurry. If I hurry enough, then I can make it to yesteryear again. I know, I'm a psycho. Like, how many things can I cram in one day?